Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Bitcoin Bulletin, where we dive into the latest news and trends in the world of cryptocurrency. Today, we're going to talk about a rather interesting story that's been making waves on social media. In Australia, Senator David Shoebridge has come out swinging against Bitcoin, calling it a Ponzi scheme. Now, this might seem like an over-the-top statement at first glance, but let's take a closer look at what he's saying. According to the senator, Bitcoin is more akin to a classic pyramid scheme than a legitimate form of investment. But how does that hold up? Well, a Ponzi scheme typically involves promising unusually high returns with little to no risk, often by recruiting new investors with promises of huge payouts. Now, some might say that Bitcoin's price volatility doesn't quite fit the bill. After all, it can drop by 50% in a matter of hours. However, critics like Senator Shoebridge argue that this volatility is actually a result of the very same Ponzi scheme at play. They point out that the vast majority of people who get involved in Bitcoin don't actually mine or hold any of the underlying assets. They just buy and sell it, often with the help of unsophisticated investors. And then there's the issue of centralized control. While some argue that decentralized exchanges like Uniswap are a game changer for Bitcoin, others see them as just another way to centralize power over the market. But what about the proponents of Bitcoin? Don't they have a point when they say that it's a store of value and a hedge against inflation? Well, yes and no. While Bitcoin can certainly act as a store of value in certain situations, like during times of economic uncertainty, its overall value is largely driven by speculation and hype. So what does this mean for the future of Bitcoin? As with any investment, it's essential to approach with caution and do your own research before jumping in. But let's be clear, Bitcoin is not a get-rich-quick scheme, nor is it a guaranteed way to make money. It's time for us to take a step back and reevaluate what we're really getting ourselves into when it comes to cryptocurrency. Are we truly creating value, or are we just chasing the next big hype? The answer lies in understanding the underlying mechanics of Bitcoin, and that means diving deeper than just reading headlines. Stay tuned to Bitcoin Bulletin for more in-depth analysis on this topic, and make sure you're doing your own research before making any investment decisions.